Magandang umaga sa inyo mga kamarino at sa pamilya ng ating mga kamarino. Good morning sa iyo, Admiral.
And good morning to you, my beautiful partner.
Yan, ang press time white. O, puting-puti. Okay. Ang tanong ko kay Admiral, paano ang Saturday ng ating mga kamarino sa dagat?
Naku, walang Saturday, walang Sunday sa dagat.
Ah, ganun?
Pag underwear kayo, nag-duty ka.
So, walang day off sa dagat?
Meron sa gabi.
Really? So parang ganun ba yun, Admiral, na wala kang karelyebo sa dagat?
Meron.
Pag ikaw ay...
Nagro-rotate naman kayo. Meron 12 by 12, 12 hours, 12 hours. Meron namang 8 hours, 3 times a day, 3 times a day. Yun. So ganun yung mga rotation. So, 2 or 3 grupo sila na nagro-rotate. Tuloy-tuloy yun. Kasi pag tumatakbo yung barko, hindi titigil pag Sabado. O hindi rin titigil pag Linggo. Kailangan makarating sa port dahil yung dalang kargada ay mahalaga.
Pero alam mo, Admiral, may quote ako na alam kong baon-baon ka. Quote ko na baon-baon mo. Sige. So sasabihin mo na yung quote na yan. Ano nga ba yan?
Ang quote natin po ngayong Linggo ay galing kay Mark Twain. O yun, famous yan si Mark Twain.
Mark Twain?
Philosopher yan, o philosopher.
Pwede sa dalawa. Okay, sige.
And I quote, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started," unquote.
Ganda.
Oo.
Explain mo ulit.
Ang ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo mauna, abay, bumangon ka dyan. Humakbang ka na. Get started. Kasi you will never get ahead kung nakaupo.
Laging ganon. Kung tatamad-tamad ka, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Yun lang yun, di ba? Ba't nga ba laging ganon ang sinasabi natin, Admiral? Bawal ang tamad, bawal ang hindi nagtatrabaho, bawal talaga yung very, very complacent, no?
Yes, kasi nga dito sa ating mundo, lalo na sa maritima, hindi ka pwedeng complacent. Kailangan palaging thinking ahead ka.
Correct.
Nag-iisip ka palagi. Kasi dapat ready ka eh. Tinatawag na agile. Pwede ka maging flexible kaagad kung ano mangyari. Kaya dapat nakahanda ka. Ganyan sa barko. Kaya yan ang natututunan niya na palagi nating tinuturo sa ating mga kadete, sa ating mga pinuno na dapat nakahanda kayo, nag-iisip kayo palagi.
Yan. Speaking of getting ahead, balita ko na not just one, but 2 inspiring stories ang mapapanood ngayong araw na ito.
Yeah. Dahil meron po tayong 2 alumni ngayon, graduate ng MAAP class of 2004.
Yan.
Ito yung pangalawang batch ng MAAP at nandito sila para ating mga kwentuhan.
Yan. So, I'm sure there will be a lot of mga secrets revealed. I'm very, very sure, Admiral, maraming secrets. Marami tayong i-unpack ng mga stories sa kanila.
Siyempre.
Di ba? Na noon at ngayon.
Correct.
Diba?
Ano nangyari magmula nung nagro-road run kami ng pagtuwing umaga.
Oo nga.
Kaya sinasabayan ko si Hanif eh. Kasi nasa dulo para ako naglalakad na lang.
Diba? Uy, marami tayong mga ganyang klaseng mga videos na nakakatuwa talaga. Na pag-iisipin mo talaga mang tagaktak pawis, dugo at pawis talaga literal minsan, di ba? Na pinaghihirapan nila yung kanilang edukasyon at ngayon ay naging very, very successful na sila sa kanilang mga larangan. Diyan lamang kayo, di ba?
Oo, diyan lang kayo mga kamarino. All aboard dito sa Yan ang Marino.
This portion is brought to you by GCash, SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso.
The sea has always been a powerful metaphor for life. It is vast, challenging, unpredictable, yet full of opportunities.
Mga kamarino, ating naibalita noong nakaraang linggo na nilagdaan na ang pinal na bersyon ng Implementing Rules and Regulations or IRR ng Magna Carta of Filipino Seafarers or RA 12021. Kaya dito sa ating programa, ating tatalakayin at hihimayin to the best of our abilities ang mga probisyon sa batas. Mula sa panig ng mga marino, isa sa mga dumalo sa naganap na ceremonial signing ay ang MAAP alumnus na si J.M. Heras.
I'm J.M. Heras, an engineer officer at MSC Cruises. The day before the signing, kasi they say that everybody was not aware that the signing will push through on the day. Then the confirmation that it will be signed was only in the morning of the day. That it was ready, that IRR was ready, and the President scheduled the witnessing of the signing of the IRR. So medyo crunch yung time because the deadline of the IRR drafting was on the next day.
Sa ceremonial signing ay binigyan ang mga panauhin kabilang ang mga seafarer representatives ng copy ng IRR upang unang masuri ang mga nakasaad dito. Ang nasabing kopya na ito ay ginawa na ring available online.
So when we read the draft, ang naging reaction lang namin is like, if you're a seafaring or a manning company that follows the existing regulations natin under POEA, DMW, OWA, and other concerned agencies, you will not have to change anything on what you're doing. The Magna Carta, as drafted in the on its IRR, is basically institutionalizing what is currently included on the procedures of the agencies concerning the manning sector for seafarers or the sea-based workers, for the sea-based workers. During the speech of the ones who drafted the IRR, on the speeches, they emphasized that it is important because it is a safeguard for the seafarers to have a continuous competence at saka edge over other seafarers overseas because they say that it shouldn't be there, it forces some schools, but they explained that yes, we should force the education sector and the schools to give quality because for so long there are schools that continue to accept enrollees but they cannot provide the support. Misrepresentation is also included there, that nobody in the middle of the process can misrepresent a seafarer. And of course, yung sa bonds, which is ang sabi din sa IRR, is for discussions pa kasi it will be a very specific clause. So in the IRR, it is said that the government will support with the bond system for hearing cases and grievances, but it is still under discussion on the specific procedures. Aside from PAO, they included that the government can ask the help of in the Integrated Bar of the Philippines for providing free legal assistance to seafarers on grievance.
Hinihikayat din ni Heras ang kanyang mga kapwa mandaragat na maging mapanuri sa pamamagitan ng pagbasa at pag-intindi ng mga probisyon sa RA 12021.
First and foremost, ingat lang sa social media kasi there are people who are wearing a mask or wearing the hat of somebody who's concerned but of the seafarers, but basically is pushing their interest against the Magna Carta because there will be the ones who will be affected. I don't want to say to be attacked by the Magna Carta and the IRR. But those are the people who wants to safeguard their interests and basically, again, for so many long years, put the seafarer's interest who is working overseas on the side. But of course, we need to have our own responsibility kasi if you're gonna allow exploitation, the Magna Carta will not work. We just need to be open on some of the changes because these changes are the ones that are the right things to do. They didn't put it in the Magna Carta and the IRR just to put it and make it lengthy and make it like very beautiful in the eyes of everybody. But most of the items in the Magna Carta and the IRR are already the existing rules that now it's institutionalized in one law.
Sa pagbabalik ng aming programa, inspiring stories ng MAAP alumni mula sa isa sa mga pioneer batches ay ating malalaman. Dito lang yan sa Yan ang Marino. This portion was brought to you by GCash. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. SM Supermalls. Kung From Sea Fatai, mga kamarino, Chinese New Year is right around the corner. At ano kaya ang in-store sa ating Chinese New Year celebrations here at SM Supermalls? Year of the Snake means blessing will be sliding your way into a prosperous life. At kung sa tingin mo ikaw ay swerte, subukan yan sa pag-swipe sa Lucky Ang Pao sa mga SM malls nationwide at may chance kang makakuha ng premyo. Hinding-hindi rin mawawala ang picture-perfect displays na maaari ninyong gawing background for your Chinese New Year postings. We'll be seeing red din sa kanilang Everything Red Fair para sa lahat ng Chinese New Year goodies na kailangan ninyo para sa inyong selebrasyon. And lastly mga kamarino, with the Everything Chinese Food Fest only at SM Supermalls, sure ay mabubusog kayo sa mga oh-so-yummy Chinese dishes tulad ng mga dumplings, hot pot, and noodles. Mula January 18 hanggang January 31, 2025, ay ma-enjoy ninyo ang inyong Chinese New Year celebration only at SM Supermalls. The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to sail forward with modern facility, active cadet sponsorships, advanced education and trainings. And as the premier maritime academy in the country, be a future world-class marine officers. Be at MAAP, ensuring excellence at sea at all times. Ang bawat bayaning Pilipinong magdaragat, may kaagapay, may kaibigan, may kakampi, may kasangga, may kabalikat. Ang iyong Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Kasama mo sa tunay na malasakit dahil AMUSUP cares. This portion is brought to you by GCash, SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Matitinding sikat ng araw, tagaktak ng pawis, mga araw at gabi na puno ng pagtitibay sa puso't isipan. Ganyan na lamang ang ilan sa mga senaryo na nararanasan ng isang kadete sa kanyang pagkatuto bilang isang magiting at magaling na world-class marino. At para sa ating mga featured kamarino for today, ang paggunita sa kanilang mga cadet days at kung paano nakatulong ang kanilang institusyon ay testamento sa kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng dekalidad na edukasyon para sa mga magiging kabilang sa future ng larangan ng maritima sa ating bansa.
I'm Honey Fame Federico from class 2004. I am presently connected with Nais Shipping Philippines as crewing manager for Sloman Neptune Fleet.
I'm Captain Iris Jimilin D. Python. I belong to the class 2004 of Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific. I am now the Vice President of Solvang Philippines Incorporated.
Bilang isa sa mga unang babaeng kadete sa MAAP, kinakailangang harapin at labanan ni MAAP alumnus Honey Federico ang pressure na kaakibat ng pagiging babae sa isang male-dominated field.
Being a female cadet, one of the first female cadet, midshipwomen here in MAAP, syempre it's hard kasi you have to prove that what men can do, you can do it too. So, yun, siguro double effort for us, for midship women to prove na kaya rin namin maging marino, especially during that time na hindi pa naman talaga ganun ka-totally accepted yung mga female seafarers. Hindi ko naman kasi iniisip na porque babae ako, iba ako, or mas magaling sa akin yung iba. Ako, I just always do my best every day sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. I see to it na I am able to influence and to inspire other people. Kasi as a crewing manager, you are handling human eh. So, humans are very complicated sometimes. So, as a crewing manager, syempre kailangan you have the empathy and the passion of sa mga ginagawa mo para at least makikita nila sa'yo yun eh. Makikita nila sa'yo yun. Ayun, you will be able to influence them.
Para naman sa isa rin nating maapalumnos na si Captain Iris Payton, ang kinakailangan niyang lagpasan ang mga alinlangan na dala ng kanyang edad bilang pinakabatang kadete sa kanilang batch.
I was coming from a high school level and then ending up to the academy. Being introduced to a military-like training with all this discipline and being the youngest member also of our class that time. It was for me an eye-opener wherein my perseverance, my dedication, discipline has been tested. And until the time na napatunayan ko na everything was becoming easy once you strive. Everything that happened in MAAP is a memorable one. So one of those when we are helping each other for us to pass the Compre exam. This is one of the hardest examination we need to undertake before we will be listed in the list of graduates. So during that time, we have helped each other in order for every one of us will make it to the graduation ceremony.
At sa kanilang buhay matapos graduate sa MAAP, tumatak pa rin ang mga aral na kanilang natutunan sa MAAP tungo sa karerang kanilang tinatahak sa kasalukuyan.
Ang discipline na in-instill sa amin dito sa MAAP, following instruction from our seniors, discipline, time management, stress management. Of course, very helpful yung mga yon, yung pressure coming from seniors, from training, from the academics, and the semi-regimental training combined. So lahat yon nakatulong for us to develop yung character talaga namin sa outside world. No? Pagdating sa barko, syempre, including na rin yung camaraderie na natutunan namin sa aming mga magkakaklase. So, yung camaraderie, yung pakikisama sa kapwa-tao, so yun, importante siya.
It's not only we are helping our classmates, but also we are guiding our juniors. Since we are the pioneer in MAAP or second batch in MAAP, we have a vast of experience having 20 years in the industry. We have a vast of experience to share. So those experiences hopefully will guide them in order for them to succeed as well on the maritime industry. As I always say, never stop learning. Kasi yun yung foundation ng character ng tao. Once you stop learning, everything stops. So to all young generation, whether alumni or cadets that we are sponsoring, I always tell them, never stop learning. As long na nagle-learn kayo each and every day, one knowledge each day is more than enough as a tool for you to become successful in the future.
Dito sa aming pagbabalik, ating matutunghayan kung paano nga ba nakatulong ang Pag-ibig Fund sa ating mga kamarino. Yan at marami pang iba dito lang sa Yan ang Marino. This portion was brought to you by GCash. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. SM Supermalls. Halabira sa ating mga kamarino na nandyan sa Iloilo. Enjoy your Dinagyang Festival celebration here at SM City, Iloilo. With Awesome Iloilo 2025, magarbo at engranding kasiyahan ang babati sa inyo. Mula sa job fair, fun ride, one-of-a-kind performances at exhibits. Tiyak na ang kasiyahan ng Dinagyang Festival experience for everyone. only at SM City, Iloilo. For more activities unique to SM Supermalls nationwide, be updated by liking SM Supermalls on Facebook. The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to sail forward with modern facility, active cadet sponsorships, advanced education and trainings. And as the premier maritime academy in the country, be a future world-class marine officers. Be at MAAP, ensuring excellence at sea at all times. Ang bawat bayaning Pilipinong magdaragat, may kaagapay, may kaibigan, may kakampi, may kasangga, may kabalikat. Ang iyong Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Kasama mo sa tunay na malasakit. Dahil AMUSUP cares. This portion is brought to you by GCash, SM Supermalls. Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Para sa ating mga Pilipinong mandaragat, napakahalaga ng pagkakaroon ng maasahang kasangga sa kanilang mga paglalakbay patungo sa financial freedom dahil ika nga nila, seafaring is not forever. With choices ranging from savings up to loans for different needs. Isa nga sa patuloy na kasangga ng ating mga kamarino ay ang Pag-ibig Fund. Dito sa bahaging ito, ating pakinggan ang kwento Pag-ibig ni Second Officer Kevin Gavino.
I'm Kevin Clemson Gavino. I'm 32 years old, currently living in Muntinlupa City, and my position on board is Second Officer. Nag-start ako as cadet, so on training ka, nag-aaral. Tapos, by the time na meron ng enough knowledge, that's the time na take ako ng licensure exam. Then I was promoted to third officer, then second officer. And currently now, hoping for management position and same officer job, navigation. Sa second officer, you're the navigating officer. So, ikaw yung gagawa ng passage plan ng barko. Then, sa tanker vessel kasi ako, so nag-help ako kay chief officer sa pag may loading and unloading operation kami, cargo operations, and other na need ng job as per master or chief officer's instructions. Ngayon, yung wife ko, bale, yung inaalat talaga niya yung ipon namin every sakay ko, the same time yung sa salary din niya. Ini-make sure namin na mapunta to sa investments. Habang bata pa kami, nag-invest na po kami.
Dahil sa murang edad ay sinanay na ng mag-asawang Gavino ang pag-iipon. Ganoon na lamang kahalaga para sa kanila na may mapagkakatiwalaang paglalaanan ng naipon.
Sobrang halaga talaga nung may mapagkakatiwalaan tayo na like sa mga government natin, like Pag-ibig. Yung mga bangko kasi, hindi rin natin sure kung talagang kailan sila babagsak. Pero ang government kasi, kung diyan ka mag-save, talagang alam mo secured yung pera mo. Since 2014, member na po ako ng Pag-ibig. Actually, maganda yung system ng Pag-ibig. So, yung time na nangailangan ng pera, nakapag multi-purpose loan ako sa nila ng NPL. So, sobrang baba ng interest nila. I think that time mga 9 to 10% per annum. So, tapos sa 24 months, pwedeng 24 months or 36 months yung term ng loan mo. So, makakaluwag siya. Makakaluwag yung seafarer kesa sa mga ibang loan na companies na malaking interest.
Pati ang kanilang dream family home sa General Trias, natamasa nila sa tulong ng Pag-ibig Fund Housing Loan.
Bali, natapos ko na rin sa housing loan ko within 5 years. So, na fully paid ko na siya. Kaya maganda po talaga yung natulong sa akin ng Pag-ibig.
Sa mga katulad ng ating kabarino na isa ring young professional, mayroong word of advice na maihahatid si Kevin.
Bale, first of all, mas maganda kung check muna nila yung contribution din nila. Kung nako-contribute ng company din talaga yung every month during sa salary po nila, kung nade-deduct po talaga. Then meron na maganda po sa Pag-ibig ngayon, meron virtual Pag-ibig. online na po lahat. So, madali mo ma-verify kung updated po yung Pag-ibig Fund mo. Tas pwede kung anong lahat ng services makikita doon. Madali siyang masundan at madali siyang magawa.
This portion was brought to you by GCash, SM Supermalls, Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Welcome to the Philippine Trade Training Center Global MSME Academy, your next training and events destination. Step into our inviting space, where innovation thrives and connections are made. We are Philippine Trade Training Center Global MSME Academy, your gateway to exceptional events and transformative training experiences. Contact us today to elevate your next event or training session. The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to sail forward with modern facility, active cadet sponsorships, advanced education and trainings. And as the premier maritime academy in the country, be a future world-class marine officers. Be at MAAP, ensuring excellence at sea at all times. Ang bawat bayaning Pilipinong magdaragat, may kaagapay, may kaibigan, may kakampi, may kasangga, may kabalikat. Ang iyong Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines. Kasama mo sa tunay na malasakit. Dahil AMUSUP cares. This portion is brought to you by GCash, SM Supermalls, Pag-ibig Fund, lingkod pag-ibig, tapat na serbisyo mula sa puso. Truly inspiring naman yung ating na-feature ngayon, Admiral, di ba? Isa sa mga first female cadets sa MAAP at the youngest member from the MAAP class of 2004.
Correct.
Di ba? Ibang klase.
Oo, mga bata pa yun. Naalala ko talaga yun nung hindi biro rin yung mga pinagdaanan nila. Of course, we tried our best to make sure na hindi ito PMA na hirap, na maraming nangyayari na hindi maganda. Ito ay training upang maging marino kayo. Kaya yun ang ginagawa natin. Road run sa umaga. Yun.
Correct. Pero sa tingin ko, kahit naman sa ang larangan, meron talagang mga training, meron talagang pinagdadaan ng mga paghihirap dahil ito ang magiging kanilang sandata at kanilang armor pagdating nila sa real world.
Correct.
Yun ang katotohanan eh. Wala tayong magagawa. Kaysa naman hindi sila handa. Kaya congratulations, Admiral, ha? Dahil talagang napaghandaan nila yung kanilang mga karera hanggang sa sila ay full-fledged na. Na kahit ang taas na ng position nila, eh talagang sinasaluduhan sila. Ibang klase ang galing, di ba? Kaya iba talaga kayo, mga friends, mga kamarino. And we learned a lot from your stories, ha? At syempre, sana ito ay maging inspirasyon, hindi lamang sa mga MAAP students, kundi sa lahat ng ating mga marinong naglalayan.
Correct. Alam mo, medyo time na.
Time na?
Okay.
Agad-agad.
Unfortunately, hanggang dito lang muna ang ating kwentuhan. Ngunit maabutan pa rin kami tuwing Sabado, alas 8 hanggang alas 8:30 sa PTV4 lang po yan.
At syempre, mag-subscribe po kayo sa aking channel, my channel, MY, hindi sa inyo, hindi sa kanya, it's mine. My channel. MY channel po yan para mapanood nyo yung mga past episodes natin, ha? Kaya naman, hanggang sa susunod na Sabado, ito pa rin ang inyong Yanang Marino. But for now,
Anchors away.
bye everyone!
Bye-bye!